You're welcome. Today we are looking at inheritable family disease. Inheriting family disease means disease parent passes through genes to their children. That means a child inherited it from his mother or father. What causes this? It causes DNA mutation. That means changes in DNA. Don't forget, DNA is the package of what the man has, the woman has, passed to a child. When there's a mutation, changes in that DNA, which can be caused by several factors: chemical, radiation, food, infection. If it's not that, it can also be faulty gene. Then the gene in the man or the woman is faulty along the line. It can cause that. Or it's not faulty, but it is problem in the expression of the gene. Now, how many types do we have that can occur? 4 levels. It can be autosomal dominant. That means one of the parents having a faulty gene. It can be autosomal recessive. That means both parents are having faulty gene in their DNA that pass to the baby. The third one is X-linked. That means X chromosomes is affected. Such means that children that are male in that family are more affected. The final one is multifactorial. It can be environmental, it can be genetic, it can be food, it can be lifestyle. Put together cause problems. And that is why you must identify the disease of your family so as to know what to do. Examples of disease of a family that children inherit from their parents. Number 1, some cancers. Breast cancers in women have been found to be an hereditary disease from either great grandmother or mothers. Prostate cancer. Your father suffered prostate cancer, beware. You are at risk as boys in that house. Kidney cancer is also a common problem of family disease and many other cancers of such nature. Number 2, albinism. Afin, those people that you see, they have this color like white people. That means they don't have melanin like this, my own brown skin. It is because both parents are having a faulty gene because it's an autosomal recessive disease. Number 3, sickle cell disease. All the people you call sickler today, they were not at the one at fault. It is the man and the woman who met as couple that give birth to a baby or a child that have sickle cell disease. It's painful that today we still have that in high quantity in our society. Number 4, you talk of G6PD deficiency. Some people cannot take milk. You must know that your father or your mother cannot take milk. So if you take milk, you run to trouble. You go to the toilet, your tummy is bloated, you're in trouble for the whole day until the whole milk is out of your body before it can get better. It's not only this alone. You can have problem what is called metabolic disease. Among metabolic disease, that's where you see people have diabetes. In case your parents are diabetic, then beware that you can also come down diabetes. Hypertension is multifactorial. Environmental, lifestyle, and genetics play together to influence why you have hypertension. So when all of these are happening to you, you must know that something is already occurring in your family. So the last part, can a child actually avoid the disease of his family? Yes, it is possible, because if you are aware that your father suffered a particular disease that's genetically linked, then you must know that you have to work against that. So that starts from your premarital counseling. So you want to find out from your partner what disease is common in their own family, and then you want to know in your own family. In case it occurs in the two families, then you may have to avoid that marriage. But if it's occurring in only one family and it's not a first generation disease, you can manage and go ahead. So you must understand the disease of your family so as to make sure that your own children do not suffer the disease. Number 2, it also assists you to do regular checkups so that early detection can assist in early intervention. Once it is detected early and intervened immediately, then you end up solving the problem and then you not come down to the disease. Number 4, it is now obvious that you can actually do some tests to predict the risk of you having the disease tomorrow or not by doing your cancer markers and do what is called screening of the family to know whether you are carrying the gene, doing a genotyping and then phenotypic assessment to know whether you are susceptible to have the disease of your family. The last one I will call hemophilia. Some people are prone to bleed. When blood starts flowing in their body, it will not stop on time. It's also an hereditary disease of your family, possibly your father or your mother, although it will come more in male than female. So when you have all these diseases, You have to know that. You can avoid them if you follow the principle. See your doctor and ensure you check well before you get married. You find out well before you settle to have children. And you can do that by going through education, genetic counseling, marriage counseling, and then premarital screening, and then marital screening, then pregnancy screening, and then you ensure you do medical checkup, and then you do prevention rather than waiting to cure. So lifestyle modification finally will have assist you to solve all this. Your diet, exercise, and avoid toxins that can actually worsen your condition. Until another time, take note, you can avoid disease of your family. Generational disease is now occurring everywhere. You are suffering today because your generation has had that disease before. You can stop it in your own generation if you do the right thing. So see your doctor and then you get better.